Vulcan, the eco-friendly anti-scale system. Made in Germany.
Vulcan is an eco-friendly water treatment system that prevents limescale deposits and rust in piping systems and equipment. Vulcan also gently reduces existing limescale deposits in old pipes and appliances. The eco-friendly Vulcan Impulse technology works without salt, without chemicals, and without magnetism, and thus protects the environment. The eco-friendly Vulcan anti-scale system is installed at the InterContinental Hotel in Kunming, China. Before installation, the kitchen's water system faced significant issues, including reduced water volume, increased water pressure, the clogging of the dishwasher outlet, the scaling of the steamer, the increased maintenance, and the reduced overall efficiency. To address these problems, a Vulcan S10 unit was installed on the main water pipe of the restaurant kitchen. To test the effectiveness of the Vulcan system, no cleaning process was carried out before installing the Vulcan S10. Since installation, the Vulcan system has transformed scale buildup into powder, allowing it to be easily removed through regular drainage. This keeps the steamer and hot water systems clean without the need for manual cleaning. Due to these excellent results, plans are underway to extend the Vulcan system to the hotel's hot water supply and central air conditioning systems. More Vulcan references, studies, and test reports you can see on our website, cuwtvulcan.com. Contact your local Vulcan distributor to get a Vulcan test unit for your application.